Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard Mathematics C by Cantab publisher. And remember, all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And our today's topic, this is adding the rupees. Add the rupees. It means that SLO will be that students will be able to add the rupees by the end of the lesson. So what you can do, or I am going to do, I'm going to show these two pencils to the students. So look at here. How many pencils are there in my right hand? 1. Good. And how many pencils are there in my left hand? 1. Good. 1 in the right, 1 in the left. And if I add up these pencils, now how many pencils are there in both of my hands? These are 2 pencils. These are 2 pencils. And additions mean joining together, bringing together. So, look at here now. I am having this coin in my right hand and this coin in my left hand. Look at here. Can you tell me what is the name of this coin? This is 1 rupee coin. And what's about this one? This is 2 rupees coin. I am having 1 rupee in my right hand and I am having 2 rupees in my left hand. What would happen if I join both of the coins and hold these in both of my hands? I am having 1 plus 2, 3 rupees with me. I am having how many coins? How many amount is there with me? I am having 3 rupees with me. Okay, Ali is a boy and his friend name is Subhan. Ali is having 5 rupees with him. Ali is having 5 rupees with him. And Subhan is having 2 rupees with him. Ali is having 5 rupees and Subhan is having 2 rupees. Both of them added up their amount, money. Now, how much is with them? They are having 5 plus 2, 7 rupees. 5 plus 2, 7 rupees. 5 plus 2, 7 rupees. Now, for creating an interest or developing an interest among the student, what can we do? We can cut out the coins out of the colored heart chart. And we can use these dummies for the addition purpose. Now look at here. I'm going to invite them for the board work. Student, get ready for the board work. Are you ready? Good. Now look at here. Suppose this is 1 rupee coin. And suppose this is 2 rupee coin. Who is going to tell me 1 plus 1 makes what? 3 rupees, but we are not having a coin of 3 rupees. So I have to change my question. Look at here. I am having 1 rupee coin and my friend is having another 1 rupee coin. Now who will come and solve it? Come. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Good. Now if I am having 5 rupee coin and I am having another 5 rupee coin and I add both of these coin, what will I get? I will have 2 5 rupees coin and both of this is making 10 rupees for me. Is it clear? Now what you can do, you can distribute different coins among the students and you can ask them to add up the coins in the pair form and get different answers. It means that they are going to create the question by themselves and then they are going to find out the answers by themselves. After encouraging the students for this activity, you can bring them towards the book like this. So look at here. What is there in your book? 1 coin, 1 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. When they are added up, they have changed into 2 rupee coin. And then we are having, what is here? 5 rupees, 5 rupees, 5 rupees? No. You know better than me. This is 2 rupee coin. Very good. 2 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin. When they are added up, we will have 4 rupee coin. Good. Now I want you to complete this page and to do the rest of the questions by yourself. Here you can ask them to walk in pair, and after completing this page, you can invite them individually to check the work of their partners, the classmates. Thank you very much.